Hello everyone, I am Anjali Daima from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My topic name is Sources of Finance. So let us see the meaning of finance and meaning of sources of finance. Meaning of finance, that is money used to purchase things the business needs or wants. Meaning of sources of finance, it is a method of getting hold of the money you need. Sources of finance are the most explored area, especially for the entrepreneurs about to start a new business. It is perhaps that toughest part of all the efforts. So sources of finance is divided in three types: time period, source of generation, ownership and control. First we will see time period. So according to time period, there are three types: long term sources of finance, medium term sources of finance and short term sources of finance. So long term sources of finance. Long term sources of finance is basically for more than 1 year. So here are the some examples like share capital or equity share, preferential capital, retained earnings, debentures, bonds, term loans from financial institutes, governments and commercial banks, venture funding, assets securitization, international financing by the way of euro issues, foreign currencies, loans, ADR, GDR, etc. So these all are the example of sources of finance by which we can have funds for longer period of time. Medium term sources of finance. Medium term sources of finance is for medium term, or it is having a time period medium, which we can't define in years or anything, but yes, it is not more than 2 to 3 years. Preferential capital or preference capital, debentures, bonds, medium term loans from financial institution, government and commercial bank, lease finance, hire purchase finance. So these all are for the medium time. Short term sources of finance. Short term sources of finance is for less than 1 year or for 1 year, like trade credit, short term loans like working capital, loans from commercial bank, fixed deposit, advances, creditors, payables, factoring, services, bills of discounting. These are for some months, not for years. That's why it is known as short term of sources of finance. According to ownership and control. So ownership basically known as which is own capital, means it is our capital, and borrowed capital. So first we will see own capital. Own capital consider of equity capital, preference capital, retained earnings, convertible debenture, venture fund or private equity. So the shareholders are the owner of the company. So this capital is known as own capital because it is of ourselves. It is of owners, not borrowed. So it is known as own capital. Borrowed capital. Borrowed capital consider financial institution, commercial bank or general public in case of debenture. Borrowed capital means the fund which we have raised by borrowing from others, from or third parties. It is known as borrowed capitals. According to source of generation. Internal sources and external sources. Internal sources means which we have raised from within the company, and external sources means the fund which is raised by external or externally. So internal sources are retained profits. Retained profits are those which the company is keeping for the future use, and reduction or controlling of working capital. Yes, we can keep control on finance or our expenses. So it is the internal source of fund. Sale of assets, we can sell our any assets and we can have a money. So this is the internal source of finance. External source of finance: shares, debentures, public deposits, loans. Yes, we can provide a loans to other parties, so we can have an interest. This is the source of finance from external public. So here is the conclusion of sources of finance. Sources of finance is available from variety of sources, but each sources has its own cost and benefits. It is important to choose appropriate and cheap source of finance for smooth operation of firm. There are important factors to consider when choosing a source of finance. However, further work need to be done. The limitedness of time has not allowed for further research and more details. So, thank you guys for listening my PPT.